Hey guys, do you need a ramp built for your shed? Do you need a ramp built to get inside your house? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you how to do it right here on QCR. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're building our ramp to get into our shed. First thing we got to do is get some measurements. So from this side to this side, 43 inches. No reason to make it any longer or wider than the door. So our old ramp that we're taking out here is 43 inches. And it's also, the base is also 43 inches. The height of our sides, the bottom board is 6 inches tall. I'm going to show you how to make all these cuts and button them all together. Alright everybody, we're going to get our measurements for our 2x6s that we're going to use to make our ramp. We were at 43 inches, so let's come over here to 43 inches. And line that bad boy up. Perfect. So now I'll come over here and measure 43 inches from the other side so we can get two cuts done at the same time. Well, not the exact same time, but pretty darn close. Alright, that's 43 inches. So we're going to cut it with our brand new DeWalt saw we got here. Alright, line it up. I'm going to use this, keep my blade from going sideways. Oh, I got the tip a little bit. Didn't get it all the way. Well, it's alright. We got a second chance right here on our next one. This is trash anyways. So we're going to cut this guy right there. Look at that. See what happens here. Perfect. It's not that one, it's this one. About right there?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. I don't like this grip. Alright, we're going to go ahead and make our angled sides. The side of the ramp, they're at 43 inches long. They're 43 inches. Start over here at the corner. Oh, look at there, there's already a mark on the wood. How about that? So in order to get our straight line, I use my handy dandy piece of extra flooring I had laying around. I don't have a 4-foot level. I would use a 4-foot level if I had one. But I don't. Alright, take our pencil, down our board, make it nice and dark so you can see it. Look at that, nice dark line. So, get our saw, There's a lawnmower going in the background, guys. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, hey guys, screwed up on the first one. I'm gonna try again on the second one. So let's try this cut one more time, see what happens. Pull this little guard up here and let's get at it. Nice and light over there.
Mm-hmm.
Alright everybody, now we got all our wood cut. We're going to attach top pieces to our side pieces. We're just going to make sure everything's square. Look at that, perfect. Perfectly square. Take our little screws here. Good. Have to edit that out. Perfect. That went in a little too far, actually. Turn that down. That's a good depth. All right. Make sure the other side's lined up straight. Take this out a little bit over here. Look at that, perfect. 2 screws here. Perfect.
That one's got to be cut. You want that angle on the end of it?
Oh yeah. Let's get the angle and just pause that. Stop it. Alright guys, I forgot to record it, but got a little angle cut right here. That's the lawnmower or whatever you need to put on the ramp can go right up it. Also, there's not a lot of material right here to screw into. So before we try and screw in here, we're going to lift this back off. We're going to put some wood glue right down in there real good. Just douse it real good with that old wood glue. Ooh, looking sharp. Is that enough? Yeah, that's a perfect amount, you say. And then we get the other side. That's my brother over here helping me. He's my cameraman today, my producer. And now, we're going to take the screw. We're going to angle it in like this right here. Try and get as much material as we can. Let's see what happens. split it, but oh well. It's just the outside piece. See what this other side can do here. Ooh, perfect. Nabbit, that's perfect. And this is the angle that we cut it. Cut at that angle there. I think it's 57 degrees. We used our DeWalt saw, and we are using our DeWalt drill. Alright guys, we just finished up with our handy dandy little ramp here to get the lawnmower in and out of the shed. You can do the same thing for little houses or whatever. Turned out pretty good, pretty solid. I like it, wasn't very expensive. Let's talk about the tools I used. So today's tools, DeWalt saw, my DeWalt drill. We got the Stanley Fat Max measuring tape, a wood glue, that little bit at the end, 2.5 inch by 9 T25 screws, exterior screws, little speed square, and our pencil. Used some flooring for our straight edge because I didn't have my straight edge, and that looks like it, everybody. I appreciate you stopping by my channel, and I appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.